Hi everyone, I'm Steven, and today we're going to show you a tip on how to catch those rats that seem to steal the bait and they get away with the bait every time. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some of this green floral wire to wrap right around the bait. And the rats around here cannot resist a strawberry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put probably about 1/4 of a strawberry on each one of these traps, and I'm going to wrap some of this floral wire, take about a 4-inch segment and wrap it around it. And I've done this a couple times already and it's worked really well. Alright boys, don't touch this guy, he's ready to go. Put them off to the side and we'll do the same thing with this one. What am I recording? I'm recording it on the camera right here.
Oh, but who did you record it to?
Who? Everybody who wants to learn how to catch the rats is going to see this one. So let's set this guy up right over here by this tomato plant that they've been eating right there. There we go. Let's set him right there. One. Me too. Now there's been a rat that's been stealing my sunflower seeds. Let's set that guy there. And we'll see what we get. Now you might think this is a lot of trouble for trapping a rat as opposed to just using poison, but I've got 2 boys that run around and play in my backyard, and I've got a garden that I like to keep organic. I don't like to use a lot of chemicals or poisons in my backyard. This is a safer way to do the trick. That one's not going to eat my sunflowers anymore.
Oh, he's dead.